Samsung phone Wi-Fi not working. Showing this error Wi-Fi connected without internet error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, forget your Wi-Fi and then reconnect your Wi-Fi with correct password. After reconnect your Wi-Fi, if still you are facing same problem, then go back to connection settings and then click on more connection settings. Now go to VPN option and make sure that there is no VPN profile here. If you have any VPN profile here, then delete those profile. Then go back and go to private DNS option. Select private DNS automatic. Then click on save option. And then here you can see auto update system configuration. Enable this option. And then go back to main settings. Now scroll down and go to general management option. Then go to date and time option. Now here you can see automatic date and time. Enable this option and then also enable automatic time zone. After this step, now go to Wi-Fi settings. Now see Wi-Fi connected without internet problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then long press on power button and then restart your device. After this step, I hope Wi-Fi connected without internet problem will be solved successfully.